In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to backup and restore or sync contacts from your Google account. Understanding how to manage and protect your contacts is crucial in ensuring that your personal or professional connections are never at risk of being lost. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have the knowledge to effectively secure your contacts, keeping them safe and accessible across devices. First things first, we'll need to access your Google account. Open a web browser and head over to myaccount.google.com. Here you'll be able to handle various account settings and features. If you're not logged in yet, simply enter your Google credentials to proceed. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the account dashboard, which serves as your main hub for managing settings. From here, take a look around the left panel of the dashboard where you'll find the data and privacy section. Click on it to begin the process of securing your contacts. This section is pivotal as it allows you to manage data related features, including backing up your contact information. Within data and privacy, look for the option that says download your data. Clicking this will redirect you to the Google Takeout page. This platform is designed to help you export a copy of your data for your own use, which is a fantastic tool for safeguarding any crucial information. At this stage, you'll see a list of various data that can be downloaded. You can either select specific ones or, for our purposes, focus on contacts. Find the contacts checkbox and make sure it's checked. This ensures that only your contact data will be packed in the download, excluding other unnecessary information. Once that's done, you have the option to customize your download format. Google allows you to choose between different file types, but generally the recommended format for contacts is vCard or CSV. These formats are widely supported and can be imported into most contact management software. Proceed by clicking Next Step to set up your download preferences, such as choosing the delivery method for your data, the frequency of exports, and the file type and size. For one-time downloads, you might want to select Send Download Link via email, which is straightforward and secure. After setting your preferences, click on Create Export. Google will start processing your request, which might take some time depending on the amount of data being prepared. Be patient and you'll be notified via email once the process is complete and your backup is ready to download. Once your data is downloaded, you now have a solid backup of your contacts that you can restore anytime. To import or sync these contacts again, simply use the import feature in your desired contact management application or Google Contacts itself. And that's it, you've successfully learned how to backup and restore or sync your contacts from your Google account. Remember to periodically perform this task to ensure your data remains safe and secure. Thank you for watching and be sure to check out other tutorials for more helpful tips and tricks.